Open Office Writer, Layout in Tables. To change the layout of your table, make sure that you've selected the table or that you've at least clicked somewhere in the table. This will activate the Tables toolbar somewhere on your screen. In this case, it's been placed at the top of my screen. I'm going to add an additional column to this particular table. It's very important to note the position of your cursor. So I'm going to move my cursor to the second column, Members, and then I'm going to use Insert Columns. When I select Insert Columns, it will insert a column to the right. Okay, this one just doesn't show all the borders, so let's quickly go add some borders here. I've highlighted the column, and now I'm going to select Borders, and I'm going to select All Borders, so it actually shows all the borders for this particular column. If I were to insert a row, the same thing applies here. So you need to make sure that your cursor is in the correct position. I'm going to go to Rosaria and I'm going to add a row, and this is going to insert a row below where I've inserted my cursor, or where I've placed my cursor, and now I have an additional row to work with. You can also delete rows and columns. So let's delete the one that we've just inserted. And I'm going to go to Delete Rows, and that will delete the row where I've placed my cursor. To repeat your header rows on subsequent pages, select your Table Properties, then select your Text Flow tab, and then ensure that you've selected Repeat Heading. So if your table then goes over more than one page, the heading row will automatically be repeated at the top of every single page. And then select OK. And that concludes our lesson on Open Office Writer, Layout in Tables.